Hello and welcome to Jade Green Health. Today, we're examining a topic that's often shrouded in confusion: the distinctions between nutritionists and dietitians. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of their roles, qualifications, and when to seek their expertise. Let's start by defining the meaning of each of these professions. A nutritionist is someone who focuses on the general principles of nutrition and healthy eating habits. They may provide advice and guidance on improving overall health through diet and lifestyle changes. However, unlike dietitians, nutritionists typically do not require any formal education or certification. On the other hand, dietitians are highly trained professionals who have completed a bachelor's degree in nutrition and dietetics. They also have to fulfill certain requirements, including completing a supervised internship and passing a national exam. Dietitians are qualified to assess, diagnose, and treat various health conditions through nutrition therapy. They work closely with patients to develop personalized meal plans based on their specific needs and goals. Additionally, dietitians are often part of healthcare teams, collaborating with doctors and other medical professionals to provide holistic care. By contrast, nutritionists may work in a variety of settings, such as public health or food industries. And whilst they are able to offer valuable advice on healthy eating, their scope of practice is generally more limited than dietitians. Another key difference is that dietitians are often regulated by professional organizations and government bodies, and are required to adhere to certain ethical standards and guidelines in their practice. This helps ensure that dietitians maintain their credentials and continue to provide evidence-based care. Nutritionists, however, may not have the same level of oversight or regulation. It's important to note that the title, nutritionist, is not always protected, meaning that anyone can actually call themselves a nutritionist without holding any formal qualifications. This lack of regulation can make it difficult for consumers to differentiate between qualified professionals and self-proclaimed experts. Therefore, if you are seeking reliable and evidence-based nutrition advice, it is generally recommended to consult with a registered dietitian. Their specialized education and training enable them to provide accurate, effective, and personalized guidance on your nutritional needs. On the other hand, if you're seeking general advice on improving your overall diet, making healthier food choices, or adopting a balanced lifestyle, a qualified nutritionist may be a valuable partner. To sum it up, the choice between a nutritionist and a dietitian depends on your specific health needs. Always verify their qualifications, seek recommendations, and consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unravel the distinctions between nutritionists and dietitians. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Take care and see you soon.